Blessed to my fanatics, them, my folks, them all over the world. You understand? So right now, we into the black struggle. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? We're fighting for black equality and black rights, yeah? So, yes, my people, you know what I mean? I just pray for us to rise, you know? Just like what Queen Africa said. We have to big up Queen Africa because what? Queen Africa always hit the nail on the head with the things what she deal with. You understand what I mean? She not joke. You understand what I mean? Every topic, every song. You understand? It's topical issues that we need dealing with. You understand? Rise, get to youth, rise every day. Yeah, hold on, do on the struggle on the struggle. You understand? Boss on the thing, king on the thing, match up on the English. You understand what I mean? You don't know what enough rise. You understand what I mean? Right now, say it with me. I will rise. Say it with me. God will rise. You understand? In the time of wickedness and all this virus, illness, sickness. You understand? We will rise. Don't worry yourself, my people. As long as you have breath in you, you're meant to be. You're meant to exist. Rise. You understand? All of the people in my channel, the whole on. You understand? They told you that we respect to each and every one on. Know this, yeah? Wanna log on, wanna subscribe to me if you make you know what wanna go rise. Wanna see me rap, wanna see me roots, wanna see me do all kind of things on my channel. You understand what I mean? Blues, sing, yeah, everything. So me just say rise right now, you know what I mean? Thank you, Queen Africa. Thank you a lot for this song. Thank you. You understand what I mean? Cause really, them the ones who rise, and who no ones who rise? The powers that be, the ones who tax us, the ones who bomb us. You understand? The ones who instigate war and racial segregation against us. You know what I mean? Color, racism, sexism, ageism, all kind of ism. That's why a long time ago in the 1980s, Rasta was burning out all the ism and schism. You understand? Because we don't deal with prison. You understand what I mean? So me just tell the ghetto youth them in the day, yeah? Rise with me. Them the ones who will rise. You understand? Big up yourself, Queen Africa, every time for that tune. This one is not even a review, because you know something to deal with review or overview. You understand what I mean? You don't know. Sometimes you have to take a break on yourself and rest. Because after all, you know what I mean? Even Yeshua, who is the Christ, them say 40 days and 40 nights through the wilderness. You understand what I mean? So you have to have a time where you rest off of what you do and observe. You understand? Who is knocking at my door? Who is ringing my bell nowadays? You don't know. You understand what I mean? You just look after yourself, my people. We're not in a drama and a whole heap of things we don't deal with. You see me? We just have to get to you them for rise. You see me? Because they know why we rise. So yes, get to youth, you know what I mean? And just go and take it easy, you know what? Rise. It's time for we rise, you know. You understand what I mean? After the kings are fall down there in motherland Africa, you know what I mean? Where we existed from into the creation birth. You understand? And we down there because the kings have 100 different sons. We down there fighting with each other. And here is the people who we used to trade with on the same trade route that come to oppress us and take us out of the land and instigate slavery against our people. You understand what I mean? So we don't want nobody come tell we about no slave. You understand? Because we know so we did have great kingdom. You understand? Great kingdom in Ghana. You know what I mean? We know what one. You understand? Great kingdom in Ethiopia. Great kingdom in Mali. You understand what I mean? So I just beg the whole of the African youth them to rise. The whole of the ghetto youth them, any color, anyone to come from in the world, any background, any ghetto. Big up on yourself, anyone there. Big up the youth them in every ghetto all over the world. You see me? I want to rise. You understand what I mean? And they never make no good guns. The only good gun is a water gun. You understand? Because when you shoot people with a water gun, them only wet up. You understand? Nothing now come out tight. You understand? So remember me telling you this. The only good gun is a water gun, my people. Rise. You understand? And them people are close up with you. You understand? Big up to people like Queen Africa in the country. You know what I mean? We can hold a consciousness. And just show they get to you. Them say, rise. You understand? Rise. Because them boy don't want to rise. You understand? They don't want to give with knowledge. So we open up our eyes. You understand what I mean? To realize we killing each other. You understand? It's just not helping. You understand what I mean? My people in Jamaica, my people in all of the Caribbean island, Trinidad and Tobago. You know, put on the fuckery, you know, put on the badness. Badness is sadness. You understand? Happiness is gladness. You understand? Rise, get to youth. You understand? Rise, do the right thing. You understand what I mean? We don't have to read the Bible for tell I so. Just do the right rascal thing. This is a message in a bucket to my youth and every other youth on planet ground. You understand? Rise. You understand what I mean? No make nothing stop you, no make nothing delay you. You understand? You have a little mission in your head. You know, your mission in your head, your goal and your dreams and aspiration is not to hurt people, destroy the land. Rise, move forward with your plan, move forward with your idea. Don't let no one tell you nothing. And anyone who don't want you to rise, you move from around them. Cause just like Africa say, I want it to rise. You understand? And them I want to see you rise. The powers that be don't want to see you rise. You understand what I mean, yeah? Remember me telling you that, you understand? But right now, because you understand we've been down for so long, you understand, them can't stop the rise. You understand, because we're going to rise with God, God will rise. You understand what I mean? The Most High will rise, my people. You understand? I just have that to tell me the other day. You understand? Head up, chin up. You understand what I'm saying? Because you don't know what a thing to do, you know what I mean? We have to build up a new energy as time has reset because of current events that we see to the world, global effect. You understand? A pandemic, epidemic, epic proportion take over the whole land. You understand what I mean? So we just try to show the youth them say, rise. You understand what I mean? And the world won't end. You understand what I mean? World will continue. You understand what I'm saying? You know, no matter what they invent in a lab to hurt us or whatever they do, you understand? There will still be some of us walking around here, no matter what one, no matter what the situation, we will rise. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, God will rise. You understand? No one can stop the reason from rising up, my friend. No one can stop the reason. You understand? Big up on yourself, my people. Blessing be upon our family all over the world and everything. Keep on a good spirit going. You understand? Blessed be upon the children. You understand? On the grandparents and them thing. They big up on yourself. You understand what I'm saying? Because that's how we do it. You see, we do it on a freestyle meds. And we're not joking with nobody. You understand what I mean? And we're not laughing and not playing around thing with no one. You understand what I mean? We're not on a joking thing. You understand? We're upon some blessed thing, you understand? Big up to Queen Africa every time, you understand? There's some blessed sitting with upon. We're not upon a foolishness. You understand what I mean? We're not upon a foolishness. Right now, I prefer the upon the hillside, you understand? Yeah, I didn't me hand, you understand? And I don't even go around nobody, because guess what now? Yeah? When I by myself, I don't get myself in a trouble with my people. So if I saw it's safe for you, just make sure you hold your own, you see me? I don't want you nothing. You understand? Blessed be my people. You see me? Go listen to some Queen Africa. Big up on yourself. Go listen to some reggae music. You know the thing. Stay. Go listen to some conscious hip hop. Go listen to some conscious music. Big up on yourself. You understand? Go entertain yourself for everyone to do it. You understand? Drama is not everything. Drama is not all. Happy birthday to the Right Honorable Marcus Garvey said time. And you don't know. Happy birthday same way. You understand what I mean? To Mr. Van who come from Midnight, you know, the reggae group, you know what I mean, that passed away recently. Condolences to the family and R.I.P. And you understand, Rasta will live and music will live. You understand what I mean? That's why I'm a part of the great movement, you know what I mean? So big up on yourself, my people, movements of your people, Exodus, out and over, you know what I mean? Hitting the hard with the real good beverage. I used to always put up more and more video, but for now, I'm just easing back my people, you know what I mean? I grow into it, so every video is a gem, every gem is a video, you see it over and out. Big up on yourself, hitting on the real hard with the good beverages. Fantastic world, up and out. Soon come again with enough more fun. See me, straight. Enough of them people, yeah. You understand, we're in control and the people I'm in power in the world, they're far away from reality. Far away. Everywhere I go, in every country that I go, whether I go in US, UK, Canada, anywhere, over the world, you know what I mean? Ireland, anywhere I go. You understand what I'm saying? I see people begging on the road. You understand what I'm saying, my people? Anywhere I go, I see beggars. So these leaders of the world ain't nothing. You understand? They ain't shit. You understand? Big up on yourself for keeping it going. You understand, guys? The people that keep the world going over and out, man. You don't know. Holy thing. You understand? We could be talking about, but you don't know. Big up the reggae music. Big up the people about Jamaica. Big up the people in the Caribbean. Big up the people in South America. Big up the people in Europe, Asia, Africa, all over the place. You see me? Up and out. Don't know. Pam. Pam. Yes.